Want to level up your After Effects workflow for free? Here are 5 scripts every motion designer should have. Script number 1, TrimPack. TrimPack is a powerful After Effects workflow script. Instead of adding trim paths with many steps and adjusting when the paths start and end, you can do it with just a few clicks. Click the In icon to set the start and the Out icon to set the end. You can add both trim in and trim out in one click by clicking the I and O icon. You can try all the buttons one by one to create amazing path movements. For the last example, if you want your logo to follow a path, instead of going into the shape properties, copying the path, simply select your shape layer and click Trace In. A null layer will automatically appear representing the path movement. Just parent your logo to that null, adjust the position slightly, and you're done. As you can see, the logo follows the path without needing to adjust rotation or enable auto orientation. Script number 2, Presetify, that lets you quickly apply and customize stylish text animations with just a few clicks, helping you create clean, professional motion graphics in seconds. Script number 3, this one is actually a plugin called Text Border. You can customize the expansion, uniform, and individual border thickness, roundness, gradient, or solid fill, and dashes with just a few clicks. No need to create strokes and adjust them manually to fit the text size every time. Just add the plugin to your text layer, and you can easily adjust several settings. Everything updates instantly, letting you experiment and fine-tune your animations quickly and efficiently with minimal effort. Script number 4, 3D Extruder. This script quickly adds depth by turning flat layers into volumetric 3D-like objects. It works with text. Just enter the depth you want, click the Extrude button, and your layers will instantly gain 3D-style depth. Add thickness to images for striking layered effects. Script number 5, Ease Copy. Let's take this example.
As you can see here, the Photoshop layers keyframe is smooth because I used the graph editor to apply easy ease. Now, instead of manually recreating the same smooth movement for the After Effects layer and adjusting the keyframes again, you can use this amazing free script called Ease Copy. Let's see how it works. And after that, I'll show you how to download and install it for free. Select all the keyframes from the Photoshop layer. Click Copy. Select the After Effects keyframes and click Ease, and all the movement will be applied directly. The movement is copied perfectly like a mirror. Now let's see how to download and install this free script. Click the link in the description, and it will take you to a popular website called A-Scripts. Sign up using your Google account. Here, in the price box, enter 0 and press Enter. Click Add to Cart. Click on Proceed to Checkout. Here, enter your personal information, like your first and last name, your address, etc. At this box, zip postal code, you can enter any number. Click Continue. Then click Continue again. Click on Place Order. And click on Downloads and Licenses. And click on Ease Copy. Finally, click here, and it will download. Now, let's see how to install it into After Effects. Copy the script. Go to the After Effects app, right-click on it, choose Open File Location. Open the Scripts folder. Open the Script UI Panels folder. Paste the script here. Open After Effects. Go to Window. Scroll down until you see the script's name. Click on it. Now it's ready to use. I hope you found this video helpful. Subscribe for more After Effects tutorials.